Yes, coach. Solid two-nil performance here this season. Now, you sum it up and what result for you?
As I said, it's a solid performance from all departments. I think we're good in all departments today, and to win again at Portmore at Ferdinita is a good for us going forward.
Anything particular to go out of this performance? But took a while to get the goal, but after that it was huge quality.
I mean, the teams are operating at this level. There's no much difference in terms of quality in between them. So there are some games that are going to be tough, some are going to be easy. Today we stuck to the game plan, be patient, pass the ball around and took our chances when they came.
Been progressing as you want to at this stage of the season?
Definitely. I mean, this is 3 wins from 3, so we are picking up momentum, and it's something that we want to keep. We have 2 tough games coming up. The first one versus Harborview, Wednesday coming up. Not much time for us to recuperate, but we trust in terms of the quality of our medical staff to get the boys up and running for the next game.
According to in terms of the final third, you're creating a lot of chance, but not reflecting on the scoreboard. Do you think that's an area that you need to strengthen?
Definitely. I mean, that's a problem right across the board in Jamaica. But the important thing is that we are creating the chances. The forwards, they know that they can do better, and we see them working harder and harder each day in the training session. So definitely they will soon get it right.
Wakilo been a lot of work in the fullback position today, going up and down, and a lot of stage. What was the update on him?
It's okay. I mean, as I said, he did a lot of work, so definitely lactic acid took its effect on him, and I mean, he did the amount of work that he needed to do before that time.
Rudolph Austin, last comment on him. Solid in the defense as always. What's the key role that Rudolph is going to play throughout the season?
As I said, it's a very key role there. He's the organizer, he's the enforcer out there, he's my voice out there. He's the senior most player out there with a lot of experience, so we expect a lot from him, and he has been delivering despite the adversity of his adversities. I mean, he has been delivering for us.
How would you summarize his role as assistant coach and a player as well?
I mean, it's very difficult for him to balance both roles. But he has been doing a very good job of it. He's my assistant along with Kevin Deere, two experienced persons, and we are very comfortable in terms of the staff and what we can do together. Yeah, man.